Good morning, friend. Today we want to start exercise 5.3. This is the last exercise. Now you have to complete in your fair book, that is exercise 5.3. So in exercise 5.3 we are discuss about the probability and have a chance or list. So list the outcome you can see in this experiment. That is question number 1. Spinning wheel. So if you will see that how many numbers are there in wheel, you have seen A, B, C, D, A. So answer what you have to write in your fair book. On spinning the given wheel, the possible outcomes are, if you will see that A is repeated, but we have to write only one time. So A, B, C and D. A, B, C and D. Total outcome, if someone asks, then we can say that how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, but only 4 is limited. So A, B, C, D, these are all the outcomes. Again, if you will see wheel A is repeated, so we have to write outcome A, B, C, D. Tossing two coins together. So if you will see that coin is there, then we have say head, and in another we can say tail. When two coins are there, so coin has two sides, so formula is to the power n. Tossing two coins, so to the power 2, that is why 4 chances are there. Which are they? Question. By tossing two coins, the possible outcomes. So now if 3 coin is there, instead of 2, 3, then we have to write to the power 3. So we have get 8 chance. We have get 8 chance probability. Here we have to get 4 chance. So which are they? First, that is first coin. Here it is the second coin. Now first coin head. Now second time, first coin is tail and second coin is head. Third time what happened? Because of we are explaining the chance. So 2 coins. So third time it is head. In both side it is head. Fourth time here it is tail and here it is tail. So tossing two coin together, there are 4 chances. Either head tail, tail head, head, tail tail. So by tossing two coin together, the possible outcomes are, we want to check, that is head tail, tail head, head, tail tail, where H and T represent head and tail of the coin respectively. Now if I want to find the probability of it, that we have to go in the next question. So now here we are discussing about the outcomes. If you will see in question number 1 again, outcomes. We are not finding the probability. We are just checking the outcomes. Afterward in some question we have discussed about the probability. So now when die is thrown, list the outcome of event of getting prime number. So we know that if you will see the dice is there, so it is a one type of cuboid, and we have to write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and here all 6, total 6 chances is there. 1, 3, 2, 4, and here we can below 6, so we can write 6 at here. So total outcomes are, when dice is thrown, the possible outcomes are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Question number 1, prime number. So question number 1, out of these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 2, 3 and 5 are prime number. 2 is called even prime number. That is why it is also taken as a prime number. So 2, 3 and 5 are prime number. Hence these are the outcomes of an event of getting a prime number on the face of dice. That is question number 1. Now second, not a prime. So if I will remove these 2, 3 and 5, the which are remaining 1, 4 and 6. So out of these outcomes 1, 4 and 6 are not prime number. Hence these are the outcomes of an event of not going a prime number on the face of डाइस. डाइस का जो ऊपर का फेस रहता है उसके अंदर कौन से नंबर मिलेंगे 1, 4 and 6. Question number 2. A number greater than 5. So if you will see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 number greater than 5. So only one outcome is there, that is 6. So out of this outcome, a number greater than 5 is possible when 6 comes on the face of the dice. So here it is easy. Now a number not greater than 5. So less than 5, that is not greater than 5. So 5 is number not greater than 5. Out of these outcomes, number not greater than 5 is possible when the number on the face of die is any one of the outcome, that is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Because question is not greater than 5. 5 से बड़ा नहीं. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now question number 3. See now here probability of pointer stopping on D on question number 1. So on that time you will see that on a point question number 1 is related with the spin. On it there are 5 parts. So 1, 2, 3, 5 parts. So here it is A, again A, B, C and D. Now question is find out the probability of, question is now probability. So out of these 5 cases, it is possible only in one case that pointer will be stopped at D. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Therefore probability that pointer will stop at the region is D. So P E is equal to 1 by 5, or we can say E1. E1 means which event it is? E1 is a case that at region D spin will stop at, pointer will stop at the region D, that is 1 by 5. Question number B. Probability of getting an ace from well-shuffled deck of 52 cards. So playing cards, there are 52 cards for playing purpose. 26 cards we can say black card and 26 we can say red card. So question is 52 cards of decks and there are 4 ace card in a deck. 4 ace means 1. If you will see the card is here and we can say it is red. That is black. Here 1 is written. Same thing. So again 1. So here there are, question is ace. So what is the meaning of ace? Means 1. So how many 1? 2 1 at here and 2 1 at here. So 52, 26, again 13, 13. So ace, there are 4 total ace card. So 4 upon 52. So PE is equal to 4 upon 52 means 1 upon 13. So probability of getting ace card is 1 upon 13. Now probability of getting a red apple. See the figure. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So total outcomes are 7. Out of, we have to find out the red. So 1 is red, 2 is red, 3 is red and 4 is red. So 4 by 7. So 4 by 7 is a. Now if question is green, then we have to write 3 by 7. So that is called probability. Now question number 4, that is third we have clear. Now fourth, number 1 to 10 are written on 10 separate slips. One number on one slip, kept in a box and mixed well. One slip is chosen from the box without looking on it. What is the probability of? Again I repeat the question. Number 1 to 10 are written on 10 separate slips. One number on one slip, kept in a box and mixed well. One slip is chosen from the box without looking on it. What is the probability of it? So again there are 10 slips in the box. However, 6 is written only on one slip. Question is like that. Getting a number 6. So 6 आने का chances कितना रहेगा? तो कि only 1. So probability of getting 6 is equal to 1. So we have to write PE is equal to 1 upon 10. We have to write PE1. E1 is a event, that is probability of event. E1 probability of getting number 6. Second, getting a number less than 6. So that is E2. Probability of getting a number less than 6. So how many numbers are less than 6? That is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So how many numbers are there? 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So 5 by 10. So we can say 1 by 2. So probability of getting number less than 6 is 1 by 2. Probability of getting number 6 is 1 by 10. Now third, getting a number greater than 6. So greater than 6 are 7, 8, 9 and 10. So total 4 trials. Number getting, say E3. Number greater than 6, that is, how many numbers are there? 4, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So 4 by 10 we can divide it by 2, 5. So we can get 2 by 5. So PE1 1 by 2, PE2, that is we have to 1 by 2. PE3, that is third event, that is 2 by 5. Now fourth, getting a 1 digit number, getting a 1 digit. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and all are single digit. Question is digit here. 1 means single digit. So 9 events are there. So we can say E4. So PE4 is equal to 9 by 10. So I think it is easy, you have understand it. Now question number 5. If you have a spinning wheel with 3 green sector, 1 blue sector and 1 red sector, what is the probability of getting green sector? So first is this. What is the probability of getting green sector? What is the probability of getting non-blue sector? So first of all, you have to find out the total outcomes. Total outcomes we have to total it here. So 3 plus 1 plus 1 is equal to 5. Total outcome is 5. There are 5 sectors and we can get a green sector in 3 cases because 3 green sectors are there. So I have to write E1. Probability of getting green sector is, that is PE1 is equal to 3 by 5. Now we will get a non-blue sector when we will get either a green sector or red sector. Hence 4 cases are there. So remove it again. not blue sector. So blue sector is only 1. So 5 minus 1, that is 4. Hence we have to write here E2. So PE2 is equal to 4 by 5. So exercise 5.3, mostly all sums we have completed. Now still one question is remained, that is 6. Find the probability of event in question number 2. So again I am writing question number 2. When dice is thrown, list the outcomes. So total how many outcomes are there? 6 outcomes. Which are they? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now out of 6 possible outcomes, prime number can be obtained in 3 cases. Which are the prime number? 2, 3 and 5. So first event. So how many totals? 3 is there. So P E1 is equal to 3 by 6 is equal to 1 by 2. So your answer is 1 by 2. That is event 1. Probability of getting a prime number 3 by 6 is equal to 1 by 2. Why we are using 3 these? Because 3 outcomes are there, 2, 3 and 5. Now second, not a prime number. So out of 6 possible outcomes, prime number may not be obtained in 3 cases. So already 2, 3 and 5 are prime numbers. Then which are not? Another 3, that is 1, 4 and 6. So that is E2. So not a prime, again 3 by 3 2s are 6. 3 1s are 3 1s are and 3 2s are, so 1 by 2. Number greater than 5, only one number is there. Greater than 5, that is 6. So 1 only chance. E3. We cannot write 6 by 6. We cannot write 6 by 6. We have to write 1 by 6. Greater than 5, that is only 6. That is only 1. So P E3 is equal to 1 by 6. Number not greater than 5. Out of 6 possible outcomes, number not greater than 5 obtained is 5 cases. So PE4 is equal to not greater than. So how many? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So 5 by 6. So that way we have complete this lesson. You have to, if you have some doubt related with chapter number 5, you can ask anytime, or you can also WhatsApp. Now important point related chapter. So important points. So first off, these are all the definition. Data mostly available to us in unorganized form, which is called raw data. हमारे पास जो डेटा आता है वो अनऑर्गेनाइज फॉर्म में रहता है, जिसको हम क्या बोलेंगे? raw data. In order to draw the meaningful inference from any data, we need to organize data systematically. जब डेटा हमारे पास आता है, in order to draw meaningful inference from any data, we need to organize data systematically. Frequency, it's a definition. Frequency gives the number of times that on a particular entry occurs. Raw data can be grouped and present systematically through group frequency distribution table. Group data can be represented by using histogram. Histogram is a type of bar diagram where the class interval are shown in the horizontal axis and height of the bar shown the frequency of class interval. These are important. Again, group data can be presented using histogram. Histogram is a type of bar diagram where the class interval are shown on the horizontal axis and the height of the bar shown the frequency of class interval. There is no gap between two bars as there is no gap between the class interval. That is important for histogram. Data can also present using circle graph or pie. Generally we are using the circle, it is called pie. So here in histograph we can horizontal and vertical. There are certain experiments whose outcomes have an equal chance of occurring, that is probability. Random experiment in one whose outcome cannot be predicted exactly in advance. Outcomes of an experiment are equal likely if each of is same chance of occurring. So probability P, event E. Number of outcomes, so we have to write probability P event E is equal to NT by TT. So number of outcomes, that is number of trial and total trial or total outcomes. One or more outcomes of an experiment make an event. Chances and probability are related to the real life also. These are all the example related chance in real life. So I think it is sufficient now. Chapter number 5 we have completed.